Hi guys, I'm back. I know it's been a minute. My life has changed so much and I'm so excited to fill you guys in on everything that's been happening. I think the most obvious is that I've bought a house. You'll see my background is different and we moved in October. So all of 2021 we were house hunting. Now we're moved in. We've been living here for over 6 months and we're obsessed. I'm gonna do a little house tour for you guys today so you can get a feel for everything, our decor, things that are gonna happen. We're gonna be doing a lot of renovating, remodeling. Eventually, it's gonna be a very slow process. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm so excited to show you guys everything. But first, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because I'm kind of obsessed with it today. Here's my look. I love it. It's very chic, but very comfortable. And I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I'm wearing. These are the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing. They are from the brand Vivaia. They are a sustainable brand. And would you believe if I said that these shoes are made from recycled plastic bottles? Would you believe that? Because they literally are. So when you buy one pair of shoes from Vivaia, you're recycling 6 plastic bottles. And I thought that was incredible. And I love to support a sustainable fashion brand because fashion is so bad for the environment. So I wanted to show you guys these and they are so comfortable. I feel like these are perfect for every day. They go really well with my outfit. And they're just so comfortable. So I'm gonna show you guys these. And then I also have another pair that I'm not gonna be wearing today, but if I were to go to like a meeting or something, I would pick these. They're also very comfortable. The fabric is very breathable. And again, sustainable. They're recycling plastic bottles, which are so terrible for the environment. And the brand is just very chic, so I had to share. Okay guys, well here is a little house tour. I'm gonna try my best to capture, but basically we're at the entrance right now. And then there's my little entryway table over there. And then this is our living and dining room. Living room is right there. Dining room is right here. Sorry for random toys and shit on the ground. It's the life of having cats. Speaking of cats, you guys have never met my babies. This one is Snickers. Hi, Snickers. And then Aries and Eros. Okay. Oh. So this one is Aries. That one is Eros. Aries is our first cat and Eros is the second one. And then Snickers, this is some of their toys. Snickers and Minnie are the babies of the family. Okay, let's continue with the tour. I got a new rug in and then, oh my gosh, okay, I need to show you guys this. It's our little welcome mat. Anyway, so this is the rest of the house. I've got some packages here on this bench. And then this is the kitchen. This will be completely redone at some point. I can't even get a contractor to come out to do like the smallest bit of renovations right now. So I have no idea when the kitchen's gonna happen. Fun fact, that wooden spoon is there because Aries can open that cabinet. That's where I keep the cat food. But what I love about our kitchen is all of these windows. I was thinking, and you guys let me know what your thoughts are about this, but I was thinking that I don't love all the cabinets here, especially that one. It's like a desk. I don't need that. So I was thinking we put in like French doors here that will lead to the outside. I don't know, I feel like that'd be stunning. And then just get rid of this thing altogether. I don't like it. This is the newest furniture piece that we bought. It's supposed to be like a little bistro table where Zach and I can sit and have breakfast in the kitchen. So I just need to buy 2 chairs for that, and then we can start eating breakfast here. It's just the 2 of us, so I feel like this is like the perfect size. So that's the kitchen. And then off the kitchen is this room. And I have pretty big plans for this room. It's kind of a mess right now. It's basically the cat's playroom, and our Wi-Fi box literally has to be there. So I don't know what else to do with it at this point. But basically, if you ignore this cat tent and cat playthings, our plan here is to arch both of these openings here and add some wooden shelves, completely demolish this fireplace, and just make it like very minimal. So that's the plan for here. And then that's what this end of the house looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you down the hall too. I'm not gonna go too in depth into all the rooms, but so this space, I'm gonna renovate the fireplace, just like completely tear it down, make it super minimal, and then just do this wall, just make it stones. I want stones all the way up the entire wall. I think it'll look so good. So that's the plan. And then this room is not quite done yet. We're going to arch right here. And then obviously new media stand is gonna happen. It's just, this is what we have right now. And get a planter for that. And then I think the space will be close to complete. Now let me show you the backyard. Love our backyard. It's very peaceful and quiet, but needs a lot of remodeling. But it's cute. It's cute for now. So we have some furniture here. These like lounge chairs, little fire pit. We're still waiting for one more of these chairs to come in, but it's on back order. And then this right here, we're waiting for one more of these to get in. It's also been sold out, so it's like impossible to buy right now, but it's, I'm obsessed. Stunning. And we're working on re-landscaping slowly. I went a little crazy yesterday and I chopped a bunch of these down because it needed cleaning up. So now I gotta go and clean up all the leaves, which is fun because it's mulch. No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be miserable. But we're slowly re-landscaping little by little. We're doing it on our own. So it's gonna take a little bit of time, but the plan is to add some palm trees here, take those spiky things out, and then that entire wall right there is all gonna be palm trees. All of it will be palm trees. And then these are our beautiful roses that were dead when we first moved in, and we've kind of revived them. These are my pride and joy. They're so stunning, and I love how you can see them from inside the kitchen. So stunning. And then this one is like slowly coming to life. This is a new flower I just bought. It's an Eden climber. So this one, my father-in-law just randomly planted right here. It was dead on one side of the house, and it's like starting to actually grow. But I think I'm gonna take that out and put the Eden climber right there so that it can grow on the wall. I think it'll look so stunning. So that's what we're gonna do with our new little Eden climber rose. And then eventually we will completely renovate the pool, and all of this ugly orange concrete is going to become limestone pavers. We're likely gonna have to tear out this grass. So we applied a weed and feed and it totally kills the grass. So we're likely going to have to completely remove it. And then here you can see that we're not quite done yet, but we got some black mulch and we're slowly working our way into the side. But here we're planting roses. So this was here when we moved in. It was dead, but it's like revived now. And I'm going to be planting roses all along this wall. And then eventually this whole jungle, all of it is going to be re-landscaped. But this is what it is for now. And I still love it, even though it's not where I want it to be. We still love it. You guys have to look at Aries when he's sleeping. He just looks so peaceful. Like, look at him. He's living his best kitty life here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Love of my life. Where did Eros go? Eros is here. Eros! Eros! Oh, hi, pretty boy. Show him your blue eyes, Mama. Oh my goodness. So handsome. So handsome. You want to say hello? You want to say hello to the YouTube fam? We've got a little coffee bar situation, which I like for the time being. It's nice that we have like a dedicated little coffee section, but I'm going to completely redo this and it's going to look so good one day at some point. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will, of course, show more of the house as things happen, but this was just like a little walkthrough, and I'll show you guys the master bedroom and everything in a future video if you want to see it. And then my office currently has foster cats in it, and I don't want to disturb them, but I'll show you guys that too later. And if there's anything else that you guys want to see in these vlogs, let me know. I really want to get into posting vlogs consistently and just chatting with you guys. So if there's anything you want to see, leave it in the comments, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see me every day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a future video. Love you.